Hello, everyone. Today is Wednesday, January 3rd, 2024. I wanted to share with you a couple of trades I made today in crude and also gold. Crude was actually around 10 a.m., where actually 9:30 a.m. when I entered the trade. It was for two contracts. And the other one is in gold. I entered it during the morning session, and I wanted to share that one with you again. Well, crude gave me today $720. By the way, please let me know if this type of videos, if you like this type of video, just push the like button so I continue doing them, or I will just keep the morning session from 8 a.m. only through 9 a.m. a little bit earlier. Sometimes I spend 45 minutes to an hour in the in doing a broadcasting my morning analysis. But if you like this type of videos where I share trades after the fact, let me know and I can continue doing them. So for that, just make a comment in the video below, and also like the video itself. Okay, so 9:38 is when I entered this trade. I was thinking to enter this one at 9:11, this one here, but I did have the resistance level that I was mentioning at 7140 right above us. So I did not enter it, even though we were at 71, trying to break the 71 level there. So I hesitated on that entry. Market came back down, and I entered it right at this at the close of this first candle here. Let me expand this one a little bit so you see it better. Okay, so see, that is where I entered it, and then I entered it with two contracts, right? So the first contract here was taken out for about $20. Let's see, $40 off. So that one there was an initial loss, and I took the loss just because it came back down and stopped me out in the first reversal. So it didn't complete my first target. So I took that one off. I kept the other one though. And that other one, so the bar recovered and made an engulfing bar reversal here, and started to move in my direction there. And then at this level here, if we see the history there, you see that at that price, around that price, we did have our yesterday's level right there. So I did not feel like I wanted to risk anymore. So because this one would probably would go through or come back right from before this level here, and then come back. So I just closed the trade there. So only one trade, but that one gave me $760 on this first contract. So you see, if I match this line here, right, with that entry right there, and then this one here to that exit right there, you have $760. Okay, but if you take this, I'm gonna give this other one that ruler there. I'm gonna put this one here to that there. It's actually $40 right to it. So you see there $40 right there, and 760. So this one is a loss of $40, and this one is 760. So that's the 720. So week out of the moving average in this case was the week out of the 18 EMA. Probably touching the 21 EMA. I have plotted here the 18 EMA though, and then another week off of the 18 EMA right here. This one is more clear for the 18 EMA, and then it started to move to the upside all the way up here. Now I did. It was crude at this point was already $20. $20 I mean $2 up, and for me that was too much extension already. It closed yesterday at this level here, and then it started to move up. So at this point here it was $2 and something, so I did not feel, and actually I do have it here, it's $2.17 right at this point, which is about the same level where I sold it here. So let's review gold. And gold, I have two entries here. So let's analyze this one. So right here, and it has some nice move, but mainly has been sideways. There was another entry right here, but too close to my level, and this one was also close to the level. I thought that it was going to go there. Check the video and the live video that it's recorded in YouTube for today in the morning, and you see how this one was executed. So we are looking at lower highs and lower lows in gold. Then it made this retracement, made a double top here, and it was making a double bottom right here. So basically we were in a range in between these two levels. Okay, so then market came back up, and then right in the middle of this one, it had a reaction to the downside, continuing another leg down. So if we take, I'm going to take this tool here and then go to that entry there, which is 2050.8 right there. And then we go to that level here where the first target is. So you see, I'm pointing out that arrow and this arrow here. We do have $220. Okay, so that's first profit. But then there was a second one that retraced, and I said during the video, I'm gonna put a stop right above this level here, because I want to protect profit. So I did put the stop right there, and actually it went all the way up and gave me another $110 right to that stop. So $110 there, and 220 right there. Now let's go to the other entry. So right after it stopped me out, it made a wick out of the 34. I love this wicks out of the 24, and you see momentum here in both cases. Momentum here are resetting. They are within the area of reasonable probability. So we are below the zero line on the fast line and slow line, and we are turning into red. And same case here. So second entry here, or the second entry there was right at this point here. If you see it right there, where that arrow is, but that that horizontal arrow is there as well. So another 220 right there. So first target off, and then I said during the video, this is my target right here, 242. But it was so slow that I started to overthink the trade, and I just exited right there for another $280. So if I had more patience, and I trusted more the move, I said here, this is my target right there. This is my target, but I did not follow it through. So right after I closed it, it gave a very fast move. It lost the support here, and then moved all the way down here. I knew that there was going to be some reaction at this point here, and now it seems that it's coming back to that support level, now resistance, that we were mentioning during the morning session. Guys, I turn on my computer and share with you my thoughts in the morning at 8 a.m. So if you want to join me, that would be really, really good. So $820 for gold today, and I wanted to share this two or three trades I made today. So not bad. Let me know if you like this type of videos. If you want me to, if there's anything you want me to analyze, go there and write in the comments below, and yeah, that would be it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you had a wonderful day today, and thank you. Yeah. See you next time.